This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can adjust the camera noise reduction and sharpness on this drone. So, when you have switched everything on, connected RC in the aircraft, and you are sitting in the GoFly mode of the DJI Fly app, launch settings, tap or select the camera category on top, scroll down and specifically look for the style. Collapse the window or the little section here, and now you can adjust the sharpness between -2 and 2, as well as noise reduction in the same or almost the same range, -2 to 1. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.